Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A1. So from any screen, you've got telephone here. If I click on telephone, like so, that brings up another menu, enter number and so on. The phone is actually connected to it. But you'll see in the bottom right hand corner, hopefully you'll be able to see in the bottom right hand corner, it says settings, it says dial there and end call there. Each corner corresponds to one of these buttons. So there's 4 buttons around the rotary control. The bottom right one corresponds to this bottom right one, as you'd expect. So we click on that, which is settings. Then you've got telephone settings, call options, mailbox number and Bluetooth. So we scroll down to Bluetooth and then click on Bluetooth. Then you've got Bluetooth. If you're having trouble pairing your mobile, make sure there's an on in Bluetooth at the top. So you do exactly the same steps, but if we just wind down, you've got fine Bluetooth devices there and bonded Bluetooth devices. That's what we want. So we select bonded Bluetooth devices and you see there Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. You've still got the settings button there. There's nothing else. So it can be a bit, misleading kind of thing. You don't quite know what to do. But if you click on it again, that brings up another menu and you've got delete device, hands-free, audio player as well. So delete device, do you really want to delete this device? Yes, the device has been deleted. The device has been deleted. It's gone.